Hello, boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 10th, 2021. Two puzzles left. I told you I will not solve all the puzzle, only four of them, and two puzzles are left: the binary puzzle and a tectonic one. Yes, and this one will be number 2451. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah. I've told you earlier, between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order, but we have here in this column the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no, there no. So now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. The first row we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. We have here 3 1s, and I've told you earlier, between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this should be an O. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s in the first column, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. Let me see the columns. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. 101. No. 010. Do we have a 010 here? Here. No. Okay, so we need to compare the rows. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? 1001. Not the same. So we need to compare this one. 011. 011. Oh, yeah. This column and the last. This row and the last row. 00111. 00111. Empty box. Empty box 00. So we need to switch those two boxes, two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. By the way, I like this one. Only one comparing, yes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. Prepare for this one. It will be a hard one, maybe, so we will see. See you then. Bye bye for now.